This is the Lanai area. Look at the view. The Diamond Head crater over there. Waikiki beach. That's the Honolulu beach right here. That's the swimming pool.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring Hotel Kapiolani here in the heart of Waikiki. This hotel is just a few steps from the beach and a great affordable alternative to bigger resorts like Marriott and Sheraton. If you're looking for a budget-friendly stay that still puts you close to everything, this might be a perfect for you. So let's check it out. As soon as you walk in, you'll see how open and airy the lobby is. Lots of seating areas everywhere. Perfect for relaxing after a long flight or waiting for check-in. To the right, there's a cute cafe called Nuts Coffee Roasters where you can grab coffee, pastries, smoothies, and snacks. And on the left side, you'll find several shops including clothing boutiques and a surf store where you can pick up beachwear or gear for your water activities. And look up the ceiling, guys. It is beautifully decorated with hanging lanterns and really add on to the tropical, cozy environment here. This hotel has a modern tropical vibe with Hawaiian art and vintage decoration showing local culture. And this is really cool, guys. One feature I really love in this hotel is the water refilling station. The hotel gives out free reusable bottles, and you know, when you're in Hawaii, they encourage everyone to avoid disposable plastics to help protect the ocean. So this is a thoughtful and eco-friendly touch, right? So as you can see, it's beautifully decorated with Hawaiian artworks and also tropical plants. If I'm not mistaken, this hotel has 19 floors and it has over 300 guest rooms. And these are the elevators. I've seen 3. I don't know if there are some more in the other areas. And if you will walk straight, that's the valet entrance. So if you're taking taxi or Uber, this is where you will enter, and that's the bell service here to the right side. And also to the left side, you can see an ATM machine, and also the registration area. You know, people are very welcoming and accommodating in this hotel. And as you can see, nice decorations again, some tropical plants, and that's the bell service area. So guys, I will tour you to our room. Let's take the elevator. Actually, we booked a premier ocean view balcony king. So to the left side, you can see a closet here. They provided robes, iron and ironing board, and it has also a full-length mirror. Actually, our room is very spacious, and this is our king-size bed with 2 end tables and lampshades, and also a nice decoration on the wall. And look at the view while you're sleeping. Beautiful. That's the Waikiki beach. And this room has also a small fridge and also a sitting area here. And One thing more, the best of this room, it has a lanai or a balcony where you can enjoy more the beauty and the views of Waikiki. So that's the Diamond Head crater and also the Waikiki beach on the right side. You can also see the Queen Kapiʻolani Park and the Honolulu Zoo. It's just few steps away from this hotel, and that's the swimming pool of this hotel, and I'm going to show it to you guys later. And this is definitely my favorite. Our balcony gives the most perfect view of the sunrise. There's nothing nicer than starting the day with such a peaceful and beautiful scene like this. And you can even hear the birds and the chickens from the zoo. It adds such a charming little soundtrack to the morning. And look at that rainbow. Oh my goodness, it's just stunning. So beautiful here. Here's the bathroom. It's clean, bright, and just a perfect size for getting ready. Nice vanity, fresh towels, everything spotless. Now let's head down to the restaurant area. The Queen Kapiʻolani Hotel has a beautiful open-air restaurant called Deck, which has tons of seating and an amazing view of Diamond Head. There's also a bar here, and at night they often have live music, making it a great place to unwind. And their breakfast here is absolutely perfect. I love their Japanese pancakes. It's so fluffy and yummy. Right next to the restaurant is the swimming pool. For me, it's a little bit small, but who cares? You're in Hawaii. You probably prefer to go to the beach than staying in the swimming pool. And one good thing in here is you can see also the Diamond Head. Let's explore a little bit more. Let's go down. There are more decorations here. They are simple and tasteful, and they've added pictures on the walls of important Hawaiian figures, giving the space of a nice cultural touch. And there are more seating areas here, so if you can grab some coffee or food from the restaurant, you can sit here. And by the way, this area is exclusively for the guests of the hotel. So if you're an outsider, you're not allowed to come here. One thing more I'd like to mention about Queen Kapiʻolani Hotel is that it features a 24-hour fitness center equipped with cardio machines, free weight, and yoga mats. And it's a convenient option for guests who want to stay active at any time of the day. So that's our full tour of Queen Kapiʻolani Hotel. It's affordable, super close to the beach, and it has great amenities for the price. If you're planning a trip to Oahu and want a comfortable place to stay without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth considering. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel videos. See you on the next adventure.